Now that we are in a class, we are going to take a look at the setup and the structure of what it looks like once you've chosen a class. So on the left, remember, if you see this icon, that will take us back to the home for SmartAmp. The next you will see is the name of the class that we are in. So currently I am looking at Cells Class 1. When you look at the next tab, which is View Class, this is where you will see all of the students that you have in your course. Now, I currently do not have any students listed in my course, but whomever I would have listed there would be in this box, and it would tell me the number of students I have right here. To the right, I can actually switch the class if I have another class that I would like to switch to. So let's say that I was working in Cells Class 1, but I wanted to go to the Constitution of the United States. You'll see that Katie Ling was a member of this course who is no longer a part of that. So you can continue and keep a class and change the students in there. You'll see you have an Edit Class button to the right, and you can change who is there. You can add participants by their email. You can also share the course code with them and invite them to join. You can use the QR code if you would like. You can also delete the class from here. You can change the class folder of where it is in your drive or what the name of it is, and you can change the name of the class. And then when you're done, you'll simply click OK, and it will take you back to your screen to view your class. The next button at the top, the next tab you have there, is Create and Share. Now when you get into the Create and Share option, we're going to work from left to right. You'll see that you have a View option right here with My Drive shared with me. You also have a Refresh, so I can refresh the folder. There's also a My Drive, so if you click on My Drive, this will show me all of the files in My Drive that correspond over here on the right. You'll notice that this says Show Only Workspace Files, but I can change that to show all of my files. So it seamlessly interacts with your Google Drive based on the Google sign-in and the account that you have there. There's also a Shared With Me option in which anything that has been shared with you from Google Drive based on the file option you choose will be here. So you'll notice that these are the ones that have been shared with me that are workspace files. But if I go to show all files, that would show all the different files that have been shared with me. So it works the exact same way as your Google Drive does. It just allows you to pull in the workspace files that may have been shared with you already. And you'll notice the file types. There are some different file types here that you may have. So if I do show all files, you'll see that I have a workspace, that I have a Sheets document. This is another workspace. This is a Google Doc, and you can tell it's a workspace because at the end there'll be a .ws for the workspace. Everything else will carry the same symbol or notation. So if it's a PDF, you'll see as a .pdf, this is a doc, this is a sheet, etc. So you can see the different types of files. And finally, the last tab at the top you'll have is Assess. So you can actually build into your workspace assessments that you would like to do, and once you have those built in, you can view the class report based on the feedback. So your instant poll is what it will pull from. You can create a multiple choice, yes, no. There are different types of polls you can create and put directly in your workspace that the students will interact with. Once they have, you would then view your class report in which you can export that information. You can use it real time to see what they're doing, what they know, and make adjustments as the class moves forward. So it's a great tool to use. It's very simple to build. It's very easy to put in there. And I'll just show you, if I make a true-false instant poll, you'll see that I can create it right here. So I could put my question, choose the answer, start it immediately, see the responses immediately, and it would just be direct feedback as the class is working within the workspace, so I can see what they know, what they're understanding, and what I may need to review again.